I decided to do something totally new during this boot camp.
What? Are you crazy?
I'm going to write a book with you guys during this 12 weeks. This will be an extra book above and beyond the ones that I write for HarperCollins and Hachette. That will be a straight suspense novel. And I figured it'd be fun if you guys got a peek at my process, but it's a little nerve-wracking because straight suspense is a big pivot because I've been writing romantic suspense, and going straight into suspense is a different readership and a different audience. So this book might just flop. In fact, it has a really good chance of just flopping, but I'm going to write it anyway and battle my nerves and my imposter syndrome just like you guys do to get this done. This week, I wanted to show you the planning process, which mine's a little messy. I'm like a lot of writers where my creative side is messy. My desk is usually a disaster. And I've got all these little note pages that I've written notes on in different notebooks and stuff. I probably have like 7 notebooks scattered throughout my house. And like I tell you guys to do a lot of times, I came up with 6 different ideas. And these ideas have all kinds of scribbles all over them, like maybe this will work, or maybe I'll do this, or maybe I'll put this with this. I guarantee you can't read my handwriting. I can barely read my handwriting. And then I start taking notes on other pieces of paper about the characters and all of that. While I'm just sort of letting this idea marinate, before I sit down to write, I just do a little bit of scribbling just so that I have my what if scenario. And that's one of the things I talk about in the first week of the boot camp is how to develop your what if scenario, how to know if it's big enough for a book, and how to take it forward. So I followed my own advice and did the exact same thing that I tell you guys to do to develop this idea. And I started writing it during the Friday live stream. We will see how it goes. I've got like 2 or 3 pages so far. So it's still the honeymoon phase and it's still fun and it's going well. But give me 10 or 15 pages and I'll get stuck and be panicked and think, oh my gosh, what am I going to write next? So join me while I'm trying to write a book alongside you guys over the next 12 weeks and get it done with you. And then maybe we can all publish some great books together.